All right, and this is the last case we're taking before, everything else will come back this afternoon. Court is calling 2025 CR 0000582, State versus Isaiah Story. Can I have parties announced?
Defendant for the state of Texas.
Howdy, Joe Stenberg, representing the defendant Isaiah Story.
All right, is there any applications in this case?
Any what?
Applications for deferred or?
No,
Okay.
is it to do?
All right, and are you Mr. Story?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, have you received all discovery? Did you review it with your client?
Yes, and
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Mr. Story, did you review the true bill of indictment with your attorney? Did you understand it?
yes, ma'am.
Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
We do.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
Yes, we are, Your Honor.
Mr. Story, did you review the admonishments with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places? Did you understand your charge with sexual assault as a second-degree felony? Range of punishment is anywhere from 2 to 20 years in prison and up to a $10,000 fine.
Yes.
If you have a plea bargain agreement with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If for any reason the court does not follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand? You have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call in the right to remain silent. Did you understand by entering this plea, you were giving up those rights? And did you intend to give up those rights and enter a plea in this case?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
He had.
Do you believe he has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against him?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you believe he's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
Yes, Your Honor.
Mr. Story, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter this plea? Anyone promised you anything other than the plea?
No, ma'am.
Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you a U.S. citizen?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived his right to jury trial. Did you review the plea bargain page with your attorney? Did you understand it? According to the plea, there's an 8-year sentence, a $1,500 fine. There are no applications. There's to be Chapter 62 compliance and no contact with the complainant. Did you understand that to be the plea?
Yes, ma'am.
Defense?
Yes.
State?
That is the plea, Your Honor.
Did you review the waiver of appeal paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in both places? Did you understand by signing that you're waiving your right to appeal? The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
Yes.
Counsel, have there been any such motions?
Not really. There was a request for bond, but never mind.
All right, then to the offenses charged, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No contest.
State, any evidence?
Yes, Your Honor. It's Exhibit 1 with all attachments.
And state, have you spoken to the complainant?
Yes, we have, Your Honor.
All right, thank you. You may be excused. Did you review the waiver and stipulations with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, ma'am.
Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call in the right to remain silent?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports? But most importantly, there will be no live testimony. Did you understand? Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence states exhibits 1 and attachments, and the court will review the same.
This is your. They gave you for lunch? No? I didn't get that.
All right, after reviewing states exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty, and the court will find you guilty. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
Yes.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
Other than the fact that, keep in mind, he was 17 at the time. Thinking with what I call the wrong head.
Okay. All right, the court will find you guilty. The court will sentence you. Just one moment. Because you're saying he was 17 at the
Yes.
time, but in the police report, it says that they are more than 3 years apart, but
Well, the
joint
girl
collection.
was 14.
Well, according to, just one second, we're going to go off the record for a moment. This is what the court is going to do. The court is going to find you guilty. The court is going to sentence you to 6 years in the prison, give you credit for any time served. There's a $1,500 fine, time and money to run concurrent. There's going to be Chapter 62 registration and no contact with the complainant and no contact with minors. And let me just tell you the reason why I did the 6 years. Because I realize how close in age you both are. All right? And that you're 17, okay? All right, did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it? Because it's plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waive your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what a weapon or ammunition is, you're going to need to speak to an attorney, and you're going to have to register for the rest of your life. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, good luck to you.
Can I put on the record, I take back some of the things I said about them.
You're always a hoot.
Thank you very much, Your Honor.
You're welcome.
May I be excused?
Yes.
Okay. Wait. She gave you a break, you know that. Listen.